This is number blocks 1. This is number block 1. This is a single number blocks. This is number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. 1, 2. This is number blocks 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 number blocks. Number blocks 4. Number block 4 is green color. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number blocks 4. The next number blocks is 5. This is number block 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number block 5 and this is blue color. The next number block is 6. This is number block 6. Let's count number block 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number block 6 and this is purple color. The next number block is 7. Number block 7 is multicolor. Number block 7 is multicolor. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last 7. This is number block 7. The next number block is 8. This is number blocks 8. Number block 8 is pink color. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number blocks 8. The next number blocks is 9. The next number block is 9. This is number blocks 9. Let's count number blocks 9. Number block 9 is square. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number blocks 9. The next number block is 10. Number blocks 10 is white color. Number block 10 is white color. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number blocks 10.